Hey, how's it going everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be another quick unboxing as well as first impression video. So I've been making these videos for about, I don't know, 3 years, I think. And I'm still fairly new to this world of content creation. And if you watch any of my videos, you'll notice that the audio qualities on those videos are not that great. Well, video quality is not that great either, but audio especially. And apparently having good audio quality is more important than the video because people tend to tune out faster if your audio quality is kind of garbage, right? So I decided to get myself a microphone. I'm holding one right now here. And I'm trying to slowly upgrade my equipment so I could, do a higher quality videos for you guys. So this wireless microphone is from DJI. I don't know, can you tell here? And I'm gonna do a quick review on it. If you search online, there are just so many variety of wireless microphone. So the DJI is one of the better ones, I think. This is the, sorry, I don't know if you can tell. This is the DJI Mic Mini, which retails for like $100, I think. But right now, I think it's like, I bought these for $45. By the way, I'm holding the microphone like this, even though these microphones are actually designed to be attached to your shirt, right? Actually, let me do that right now. This magnet is very strong. Let me try to clip this on. Let's see here. These wireless microphones are designed to be attached to your shirt like this, but it doesn't sound that great on your shirt, which kind of defeats its purpose, but I guess it's better than nothing. It sounds much better, as you can probably tell from the video. It sounds much better if I hold it out like this in an angle toward me. And I decided to go with the DJI brand because, like I was saying, I'm also going to upgrade some other equipments like the camera, because I've been using iPhone to record all these videos, and I want to have a dedicated camera to record these, especially when I go on trips. I don't want to rely on my iPhone to record stuff because, iPhones are expensive and they're also fragile. And if I think I'm going to get myself DJI Action Pro 5. I hope I'm naming that correctly. But DJI has this thing called Osmos Audio that automatically syncs with these microphones or any of the DJI microphones. So you don't even need a transmitter, which I'm using right now on my iPhone, the USB-C transmitter, to use these microphones. But if you had any of the DJI video cameras, it just syncs automatically with these microphones. So that's why I decided to get this. And also, again, this was on sale. Anyway, with that long intro out of the way, let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so on with the unboxing of DJI Mic Mini. By the way, the little spin you just saw, that took like 5 different tries to get it just right. Anyway, this package is one with mini receiver that you hook up to your phone or laptop. They also have another package that comes with a bigger receiver that you could hook up to your camera, but this version is only for USB-C, which I didn't mind because I'm mostly going to be using with my phone or on my laptop. And also camera from DJI, like Action 5, is supposed to connect to it by Bluetooth with stronger reception. So as you guys might be aware, right now there's a significant restriction on what DJI can sell in the US. I believe it has a lot to do with their drone technology, but as of right now, you can still buy these on Amazon from third-party sellers. And this specific package, one with the mini receiver and 2 microphones, goes for $45, which I think is a pretty good deal considering what comes in the package. and the overall quality of their products. So as you just saw, it comes with a nice little sticker, DJI sticker, and it's packaged pretty nicely overall. It's not Apple quality, but packaged pretty nicely for what it is. It comes in this nice little pouch, nice inner zipper cable, USB-C to USB-A cable, but it's bifurcated, so there's a two-prong USB-C coming out and one going to the USB-A charger. Of course, it does not come with charger, but I'm glad it comes with this cable. It comes with these very powerful magnets that attaches to your shirt or something. So instead of clipping it on your shirt, you could use this magnet to hold your microphone in place. This is one of the charging dock. First microphone, the windscreen is already attached to it. I'm using the windscreen right now, and I'm not sure if it's making any difference, but it's nice that it comes with it. The other microphone. This package does not come with charging case. If you want to charge the mini microphones, you have to put it in a dock like this and then charge it, which I don't think is that bad, and plus it's magnetized, so it's easy to just put the microphones on the dock. And the mini receiver, there's the noise reduction, goes from off to low and high, and the side is the indicator for which receiver is we're using. So that's it. That's everything that comes with it, and it's not too bad for what you pay for. I do wonder if there's a correct way to use these wireless microphones hands-free, at least to my ears. They sound better if I'm holding it in front of me instead of attaching it to my shirt, but that's just to my ear. And I'm no sound engineer, so maybe you guys can let me know. So that's been a quick unboxing as well as first impression video of the DJI Mic Mini. And as always, be kind to yourself and be kind to others. I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.